Hello guys, welcome to Technopolis YouTube channel. OnePlus 80 new render image is leaked. Render image shows that what the OnePlus 80 will look like. It would be similar on the front but boast a redesigned camera module. It would also offer 65-watt fast charging support. Let's see everything in detail. Before starting a video, please subscribe to our channel so you never miss latest technology, smartphone and gaming updates. Most notably, the 80 will reportedly be OnePlus' first phone of any type of support 65-watt fast charging. Even the 8 Pro is limited to just 30-watt top-ups. If you are interested in OnePlus 80 Pro leak images and specification, you can check OnePlus 80 Pro detailed video on our channel. The link is given in the description. This might be a competitive necessity when rivals like Oppo already have 125-watt charging, but it could still be welcome if you frequently find yourself needing a quick recharge before the day end. The image also suggests the OnePlus 80 may sport some cosmetic difference compared to OnePlus 8. While the front would still have the similar 6.55-inch display from the 8, though now at 120Hz and hole punch camera at 30 megapixel instead of 60 megapixel, the render suggests the OnePlus 80 will sport a redesign. Galaxy S20-like camera module to house the expanded 4-sensor array. A 48 megapixel main camera is expected to sit alongside a 16 megapixel ultra-wide, 5 megapixel macro camera, and a not particularly useful 2 megapixel portrait sensor. True to OnePlus past, the 80 would supportedly come in both the standard trim with the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, as well as higher-end edition with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of space. On leaks claim the 80 would use the standard Snapdragon 865, not the 865 Plus rumor from before, but we would count on OnePlus standing still give it history of using the latest chips. A slightly larger 4500 mAh battery might help it last longer. The new smartphone is believed to be arriving in late September or early October and might not be joining by the Pro equivalent. If so, the 80 may be as good as it gets from OnePlus phone until 2021. These images and specifications suggest the OnePlus 80 could be a meaningful upgrade for many users, even if they are jumping from previous high-end OnePlus models. For more technology, smartphone and gaming updates, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update.